Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates.
Hello and welcome to The Print at the Movies. This week's movie is Dil Bechara, starring Sushant Singh Rajput and Sanjana Sanghi.
एक था राजा, एक थी रानी, दोनों मर गए, खत्म कहानी.
Dil Bechara shows us the ephemeral nature of life told through an actor who was gone too soon. So in a way, this film really does act like a poetic closure for the grief that we are all feeling right now. Coming to the story, based on the American book and film The Fault in Our Stars, Dil Bechara tells us the story of a young couple in love looking for a silver lining around a large grey cloud that is cancer. Kizzy Basu, played by Sanjana, is a college student who is an introvert and a loner who also happens to suffer from thyroid cancer. Kizzy's quiet life is disrupted when she comes face to face with Emmanuel Rajkumar Jr. or Manny, played by Sushant, who also happens to be a cancer survivor. While Manny's initial over-the-top antics and love for Bollywood rub Kizzy the wrong way, the more he pursues her, the more she softens towards him, and the two fall in love. Now, while the young couple bonds, fights, and falls in love, they're also constantly rudely reminded of the short deadlines that both their conditions have set for them. Now, by and large, the story actually sticks to the original book and film, with only a few minor Bollywood-like adjustments. Where it actually really fails miserably is the writing, because it's so scant, it has no substance. None of the characters have fleshed out arcs or character sketches, and a lot of scenes are introduced very randomly and not really explained. For example, the opening scenes of the film shows Kizzy attending a stranger's funeral because she feels kinship towards them. And it is hinted that she does this quite often. But after the first scene is over, this weird habit of hers is not referenced ever again in the film or even explained properly. On the good side though, the film is short, crisp, and does not lag anywhere. The drama, despite its intense theme, is never over the top and is quite touching. The theme of young love is also really well shown. The lead couple do a good job in showing a young teenage couple that is in love with butterflies in their stomach and really almost make you feel like you are part of them. And this is also thanks largely to Rajput and Sanghi's performances. The two very convincing as a young couple in love.
तुम्हारा नाम किसने रखा? किसी?
It's Kizzy.
You can tell Sushant really sunk his teeth into the character of Manny as a always bright, fun, chirpy man who knows that his deadline is coming but prefers to look at the brighter side of things.
जन्म कब लेना है और मरना कब है हम डिसाइड नहीं कर सकते, पर कैसे जीना है वो हम डिसाइड कर सकते हैं.
Sanghi too delivers a convincing performance as a shy, introverted girl who really loves Manny and wants to experience life with him. Saswata Chatterjee and Swastika Mukherjee as Kizzy's parents give us a very refreshing, realistic look at Indian parents. Bottom line, we all know the story, but it is still really nice to watch a short, well-told story that knows its core and says it without too much drama. Definitely watch it.
एक था राजा, एक थी रानी, दोनों मर गए, खत्म कहानी. पर ये कहानी अधूरी है. इसे पूरा वो राजा और रानी करते हैं.
This is Madhavi Potukuchi for The Print and you're watching At The Movies. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel.